Hello and welcome to another video on the scripting tutorial channel. In this video we're going to be creating a Discord bot using DiSky, which is a script add-on that lets you create, edit and manage Discord bots. So I have created a video like this before, but we used a different add-on. This add-on is more up to date. I think this add-on is much better. So the first thing we want to do, we want to head over to the developer portal and head over to applications. Then we want to create a new application. We're just going to call this DiSky scripting tutorials. And create. Then we want to go over to bot and click add a bot. Yes. Now we want to click reset token. This token is secret, so you should not share this with anybody, and if it gets leaked you need to reset it immediately. So now we want to head over to OAuth 2, click URL generator, click bot. For this tutorial I'm just going to give it administrator perms because it's my server and it's my bot. You just want to be careful there, and now click copy. Create a new tab, paste that link in, now add it to your server. Now if you go in the Discord, the bot should be here. Of course it is offline because we haven't started any of the code for it yet. So on your Minecraft server you'll want to have the DiSky add-on. You can find the download for it in the description below. So let's get right into the code. Firstly we want to define a new bot named our bot name, DiSky Scripting Tutorials. Then we want our token, which is the token we copied earlier, which can be found on the Discord developers page. Remember, this token is private and should not be shared with anybody. Intents we want to leave as default intents. If you're not too sure about this, and I'm not too sure myself, just leave it as default intents. Policy we want to set to all, auto reconnect true, and compression is none. And if you're not too sure about that, just leave it untouched. So after we have done this, we want to go to bot and scroll down, and we need to enable the 3 privilege gateway intents. Boom, boom, boom. Save changes. So I have noticed something. I don't think it supports spaces in the bot name, so we're just going to name that the bot. It doesn't really matter. So now if we reload our code, go on the Discord, and the bot is online. So now that the bot is online, let's create a simple command. So the command we're going to create is ping. You can type ping and the bot will reply pong. So prefixes, you can select anything here. We're just going to do an exclamation mark, trigger, reply with pong. It is very similar to how you define a normal command, but only you need to type in Discord. If we reload that, if we reload the script, go on the Discord, type in ping, the bot will reply with pong. So the next thing we're going to do is create another command that allows you to say hi to another player. We're learning how to use arguments. Discord command hi, and then we are accepting a text argument. The prefix is the same, an exclamation mark and a trigger. If arg1 is not set, reply with enter player to say hi to. So this is forcing the player to type in an argument. Else reply with hi arg1. We reload the file. We go in the Discord. So if we type in hi, it should require us to enter an argument. It does. We type in hi 1c7. It'll say hi 1c7. Another fun feature of DiSky is that you can set the bot status. So we're going to create a new command called plain that accepts an argument. We're going to make sure the argument has to be set and enter and reply with the suitable error message if the argument is not set. Else set the presence of the bot named bot to plain arg1. We save that, we reload the file, we go to Discord. So if we type in plain, and we're given the plain Minecraft, it'll say plain Minecraft. We can also do anything, plain Roblox, plain Roblox. Just before I finish this video, I wanted to give a shout out to the Rod Hypixel Guild. In my opinion, it is one of the best guilds on the server, with an amazingly skilled player base and a friendly community. So check out the description if you want to learn more. That is it for this video. In the next video about DiSky, we will be learning about permissions and more things you can do with the add-on. Thank you for watching.